Hi guys, and welcome to The Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want, so you are completely organised with midweek meals. And today we are making a family favourite of mine. We are making lemon and garlic chicken, and it's for the slow cooker, okay? So you can either put this in your slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours on low, or 3 to 6 hours on high, 3 to 4 hours on high, sorry, or you can cook it in an oven 30 minutes in the top oven of your AGA, or 30 minutes in a 180 degree, 200 degree oven, and then bottom oven, or turn your oven down to 100. So if you've got an AGA, the bottom of your oven is 100, and leave it in there for 3 hours, and this will cook absolutely delicious. Okay, so it's a dump bag recipe. We've got our dump bags. We're using olive oil, lemon juice, some lemons, parsley, garlic, salt and pepper, and our chicken breasts. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to just this chicken is best if your breast is sliced. Okay, so take your chicken breast and you're just going to slice it, and you can slice it anyway. I sort of slice them diagonally. I'm just trying to get them to not quite be as thick, so I'm just going to keep them in the same two portions. So I've got one portion here for one bag and one portion here for the next, okay? Okay guys, hands washed, chicken cleared out the way, and we can now bring our 2 bags over. Okay, here we go, 2 bags. What you want to do is you want to get 2 lemons. One of the lemons is going to get sliced and go in one bag, and then you've got it. You're just doubling up. So slice the other one and put it in another bag. This lemon is optional because you're adding lemon juice anyway, but I think it's really nice. I love hot fruit, and so does my daughter. So I think it's lovely when you serve it and it's got some lovely hot fruit over the top. Okay, you're then going to take your garlic and you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of garlic into each one. And this is just frozen chopped garlic, so I haven't done anything with a bulb, or I've just bought it frozen, already chopped. I happen to just have a little bag of it left, so I'd sealed it in a different bag, and I'm just going to put it in. Okay, so my garlic is in. You're then going to take your parsley, and remember, just keep checking. I always have a recipe down here because even though they're my own recipes, I make so much I often forget as well. So I am 1 tablespoon of dry parsley. Well, I'm just going to guess that. That's about that. I quite often guess things. It's good old family cooking here. I wouldn't guess it if I was serving lots of people, but if it's just us, I'm quite happy to. So you want, is it a half a cup of lemon juice? Yes, it is a half a cup of lemon juice, which is quite a lot actually. Don't put the top of the lemon juice in. Now this is one of these freezer dump bags that I like to get in the freezer straight away because I don't know if you know, but acidic lemon juice can start to sort of almost cook a chicken. So you want to freeze it as soon as possible. Don't leave it lying about for too long. Okay, so your olive oil, you want to just put in 1/4 cup of olive oil. And you'll find that most slow cooker recipes are really quite juicy. That's what you want. That's what makes them succulent and soft, and sort of everything falls off the bone. Okay, you can add your pepper. And I usually don't salt much that goes in the slow cooker, but really there's not a great deal of ingredients in this, so I'm just going to grab a bit and put a little sort of, you know, sprinkling in each. Right, guys, we've just made another recipe. Look at that. That is all that takes. You're just going to seal it up, mush it around. I cannot tell you how tasty this is. Lemon chicken. Serve it over rice, some green beans on the side. Oh, delicious. Then take all the air out of it to make it as flat as possible. And that is good to go for your slow cooker. So when you again, just like all the other ones, you know, you put it in your freezer. When you want it, take it out the night before, let it defrost. I don't cook straight from frozen to slow cooker. There's lots of people saying you can, lots of people saying you can't. I just generally just defrost it. I'm used to doing it. If you can get into the way of defrosting things the night before, then it makes you do it every night. So I just do that. Come up, wake up in the morning, open that up, put it in my slow cooker. It's going to take 6 to 8 hours, which is perfect, about the time that I'll be away. When I come back, I'm just making some rice and I'm good to go. That is my garlicky lemon chicken. Give it a go and see what you think. You can get all my recipes on www.thebatchlady. Thanks for watching. Bye.